I'm Philip Holmes. I'm the Chief Executive of Freedom Matters, and today is a very, very proud day for us as a charity. Probably one of the proudest days of my life. We're delivering supplies to Ward 5 within Dawachar VDC, which lies within Sindhu Palchok district, Nepal. It's been hit twice by the big quake of the 25th of April and by the second quake 5 days later. So many villages have been destroyed in this area. People had very little to start off with, they had even less after the earthquake, and it's a privilege to deliver supplies to them today.
So we got 6 trucks today, got about 160 bags of 30 kilograms of rice each. We've got the same amount, 160 dal, because they need lots of protein. They don't need that much dal, but we thought we'd give it to them anyway. Each of 25 kilograms dal, 160 bags, 160 bags of chura, that's beaten rice, and then we've got salt as well for rehydration. We've already got the plastic sheets. Every house except for ward number 1 has got them, so we've already got about 1,300 of these tripals, these tarpaulins to the people. So we're going to now, after this, when their food security is ready, that's when we're actually going to be able to give those people hope that they don't have to worry about that, they've got food security, and from there they can actually focus on their long-term plan to actually build temporary shelters to see them through the monsoon time. And after that, we're going to work on the reconstruction of more permanent homes.
All this is worth almost 10,000 pounds, and we are giving away worth of 9,000 rupees per family, which also includes a tarp and a mosquito net.
The names are called up. They come down as a representative of their family, and then they get a coupon. They get a coupon like this. 2 bags. 1 bag is each 30 kg of rice. 1 bag of dal, 25 kg of rice. 1 bag of chura, which is 25 kg, and 1 packet of salt, which is 1 kilo. They then sign with their name on this here. The names of each of the households are here. Today we've got 157 households. They have to sign here, and then the number of their sign here is also on here. They then take it to the individual trucks. The marshal on each truck ticks it off that they've received it, and the last marshal takes the coupon so that we can verify that the person's actually got it, and we can recheck it with the system. This lady's name is Huma Kumari. कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ आमा?
हजुर उहाँ पर छ उहाँ माथि हजुर पर छ
अच्छा अच्छा अनि आजको घरमा चाहिँ गयो कि यता छ?
अनि घरहरू गयो सबै गएको छ 3 तले घर थियो अनि 1 तले गयो
Any manchimas in
हजुर
So Uma's house is just up here, and her house is like everybody else's, is totally devastated, and you know, nobody died in the house, luckily. Any गाईहरु भैँसीहरु मसिन के गरेको?
एउटा गाई र एउटा बाख्रा पर्यो
One of her cows, you know, got killed, and one of her goats, and that is basically part of her livelihood. Ama त्यो बुकमा को दिन अब के गर्नमा चाहिँ खास के भयो
हजुर त्यो दिनमा अब अलिकति धान कोदो मकै चाहिँ पर्यो त्यो चाहिँ झिक्न सकिएन
So I asked her, you know, what happened on the day, and she said, well, it started shaking a bit, but at the moment with her house, I mean, you know, all her rice stock, all her corn, it's just all mixed with mud, and she just can't salvage it. आमा त्यो दिनमा भूकम्प आएको थियो नि हजुरले चाहिँ अब पहिला त्यो भूकम्प त आएको थियो नि अब हजुरले चाहिँ के दो लागि हजुरको सोचमा त्यही बेलामा चाहिँ के थियो के आयो के बनेको थियो
के पो भयो दाजुरा घरभन्दा अलिक पर बारीका गरामा थियौँ म त भन्नुहुन्छ अनि बुहारीहरू चाहिँ पर मकै गोड्न भनेर मकै गोड्न भनेर गइरहेको थिएँ घरमा चाहिँ कोही पनि बसेको थिएन त्यति बेला र मात्रै हो नजर त सबै सकिनेरहेछ मान्छे
अनि हजुरको आफ्नो छिमेकीको मान्छेमा चाहिँ
अनि छिमेकी कोही पनि नभएको एक्लो घर छ हेर्नु न त्यहाँ उयो दिलबार देखिन्छ
अब एकछिन पछिमा हामी चाहिँ हेर्न आउँछ होला नि अनि so the lady said, you know, she'd never experienced anything like that in her life before. एकछिन काममा चाहिँ हेर्न आमाए अब यहाँ चाहिँ अब she really, you know, it was so unexpected. It was something that they couldn't touch. It was like a ghost. And for them, something that's so untouchable that they can't control is what scared her. This is Mr. Mungli Tamang. His house is just down there, and well, both of the houses has collapsed. His house as well as his mum and dad's house. Bao ama keyboard
यस्तै बुढी हो बुढी भएर काट्नु बिमार भएर काट्नु पर्यो
के ढुङ्गा परेको
ढुङ्गा परेको चाहिँ हैन तर त्यो केले भयो त्यस्तै बिमार भएर अनि उता काठमाडौँ बाइकमा लगेर गएको
She got really ill after this has happened. I think it's probably shock. You can't explain it exactly. So she's actually seriously in Kathmandu in the hospital at the moment. Any bao ke भयो
बाउ त पुरै पुरेको
Bunisi garbidir bocha.
हजुर घरभित्र पुरेको
When the earthquake struck, his father was actually in the house, and the house collapsed on top of his father.
मर्यो निकाल्नै सकेन सबै टाउको सबै छिन्यो
After that, he went in and tried to get his father out, but the stones fell onto his head, and it was not good, and died.